Somewhere in the universe, right now, something is falling toward a black hole. Long before it reaches the edge, its light will stretch, its time will slow, and to anyone watching from far away, it will appear to freeze, forever suspended at the boundary of no return. But to the thing falling in, nothing marks that boundary at all, because inside a black hole is the one place in the universe where the two greatest theories in physics, the ones that explain everything else, completely contradict each other. His name was Albert Einstein. Massive objects warp the fabric around them, and everything else, including light, follows the curve. But Einstein never expected anyone to take his equations to their extreme. Someone did, almost immediately. In 1916, a German physicist named Karl Schwarzschild was serving on the Russian front during World War I. In the middle of the war, he found time to solve Einstein's equations exactly, for a single point of mass, a boundary in space where gravity became so strong that nothing, not even light, could escape. Schwarzschild sent his solution to Einstein from the trenches. Einstein published the solution, but publicly doubted such an object could ever form in nature, not a real place. Then, in 1930, a 19-year-old astrophysicist named Subramanian Chandrasekhar did the math on dying stars. He calculated that any star heavier than about 1.4 times the mass of our sun could not resist its own gravity once it ran out of fuel. It would keep collapsing, forever. 5 years later, in 1935, he presented his findings at a meeting of the Royal Astronomical Society. Sir Arthur Eddington, the most famous astrophysicist in the world, stood up and publicly ridiculed him, calling the idea absurd. Chandrasekhar was right. It took the scientific community nearly 50 years and a Nobel Prize to admit it. By 1939, physicists Robert Oppenheimer and Hartland Snyder described exactly what happens when a massive star collapses. It doesn't stop. It falls in on itself, past the point of no return, forever. For years, nobody had a name for it. In 1967, physicist John Wheeler gave it one, almost as a joke: black hole. The name stuck,